दोस्तों नमस्कार, सत श्री अकाल, salam and a very good morning to all of you. Today morning I was reading a book and I read a statement by Thomas Edison, a very famous scientist, a very famous businessman, a very famous inventor. He said, three things you want to have to achieve anything worthwhile in this world. First one is hard work. Second one is stick-to-itiveness. Third one is common sense. Let us discuss one by one. Hard work, yeah, very obvious. There is no substitute to hard work. You have to work hard to get the success. Second, when he said stick-to-itiveness, what does it mean? Stick-to-itiveness means trying to do something again and again, again and again. It may be tough, it may be hard, it may be difficult, it may be unpleasant, but if you are trying to do it again and again, that is called stick-to-itiveness. That is again very obvious. Consistent and persistent efforts you need to have a success in the life, to achieve anything worthwhile in this world. But third one was very surprised to me. Third one was common sense. I said, what? Common sense? Is it so important? Is it so important to have a common sense to achieve anything worthwhile in this world? To get a success in this world? And who is saying? Thomas Alva Edison. So it must be very, very important. So let us talk about common sense today. What is common sense? It is always said that common sense is not so common in a common people. Common sense is as rare as genius. As you will not find much genius in this world, same way you will not find much people with a common sense in this world. Why common sense is so important, and what is common sense? Common sense actually is your own native knowledge, your sound practical knowledge, your prudent knowledge. You don't need to go to any university, school or anywhere to get a degree on common sense. There is no such degree as bachelor in common sense or a master's in common sense. It is your native knowledge. As we say, it is your native village, it is your native language. So it is your native knowledge. In a simple words, we can say that it is your basic ability to understand the things, to perceive the things, to judge the things as they are, to see the things as it should be seen. That is called common sense. But people don't have common sense, or people don't apply that common sense. I don't know. But it is said that common sense is as rare as genius. Let me give you few examples. A person went to the doctor and he said, I want to reduce my weight. I want to reduce 5 to 10 kgs. Doctor said, okay, do one thing. Walk for at least 5 miles daily. He said, okay. But before going, doctor said, listen, after 30 days, just inform me about your weight. That person called exactly after 30 days to the doctor, and he was very happy. He was very thankful to the doctor. He said, Doctor, I am so thankful to you. I reduced almost 8 kgs in these 30 days. And as you said, I walked for 5 kilometers, 5 miles every day. Doctor said, very good. That's very nice. But the patient said, there is one problem. Doctor said, what? He said, as you said, I walk for 5 miles every day, but right now I am 150 kilometers away from my home. This is called common sense. This is called common sense. If someone tells to me that you are earning 40,000-50,000 rupees per month and you are working for 7 to 8 hours per day, let me show a business to you in which you have to work just 2 to 3 hours a day and you can earn around 1 lakhs to 1.5 lakhs in another 1 year. And if my reply is that I don't have a time to do this business, it means it is not because of lack of time, it is because lack of my common sense. I'm talking about this common sense. If anyone says to me that Today there is a lot of adulteration in the products in market. There is not a lot of inflation, and people use pesticides on the crops. People used pesticides on the farms, in vegetables, on fruits, and what you need to eat and what you are eating, there is a gap of nutrient in between that. And I can provide you a product that is totally plant-based products which are organically grown, and overall I will give you a 30 days money back guarantee also. And if my reply is that the products are very expensive, it means I lack in a common sense. I don't have a common sense. If anybody is saying me that most richest person on this earth read every day and they read almost 50 to 60 books in a year, you should also read something. Positive mental attitude books and skill developing books. And if I am saying that this is not my cup of tea, I cannot read, I feel sleepy and all that stuff, it means I don't have a common sense. I'm talking about that common sense. So guys, common sense is very, very important. Keep your common sense always with you. It is said that it is better to have a common sense without education rather than having an education without common sense. Common sense is very, very important. Because of lack of common sense, sometimes people don't understand the opportunity, don't grab the opportunity at time, and sometimes they miss the most important moments, most important opportunity in their life. So keep your common sense intact, apply that common sense, and mind it that Thomas Alva Edison said that if you want to achieve anything worthwhile in this world, the three things are very, very important. One is hard work, another is stick to the itiveness, and third one is most important, common sense. Thank you so much.